really is that simple. So if you're looking to do HMO as a potential strategy for your investment journey, then just make sure that you're doing everything right from the start. There are so many different people out there, experts that you can go to in the market, so you can speak to your planning officers, you can speak to your HMO officers. Make sure that everything you're doing to the property is exactly the right standards. Make sure you've got your building regulations sign up on the property as well. You have to be really careful. If you get it wrong in HMO and you don't do it right and you don't do the right thing for the right reasons to protect yourself and your tenants, you're going to end up with a £30,000 fine and a custodial sentence, and that really is the truth. So yeah, being a landlord is tough sometimes, but it's also very beneficial if you do it properly. So just ask and use the resources around you. Make sure that you are educated correctly by people that are continuously making sure you're moving forward in your journey, doing the right things for the right reasons. If you've ever got a question or something that comes up that you're like, I'm not sure what the answer is to this, again, use the utilities around you, like your HMO officers and your planning officers, the builders. Always check. I always get my builders to check and do a schedule of works that is a fixed price quote on my HMO renovations that I do that is to licensing standards. So if when the HMO officer comes around at the end to do the license and he says, oh no, sorry, I can't pass it on, this and this, I then don't have an extra bill at the end with additional extras, because my builders have fixed my price based on a fully licensable HMO. So therefore I've protected myself on the back end. So it's lots of things like that. Things do change all the time, and you want to make sure that you've got following the LACORS guide for your fire protection and safety, that you've got the right windows in there, the fire doors, intermittent strips, emergency lighting if required, grade A fire systems, lots and lots of different aspects. It may seem like a minefield, but genuinely you can do this if you do it correctly, if you ask for support. So genuinely listen to this advice. HMO strategies can be beautifully executed and give you a lot of nice cash flow in return, but also it can provide luxury secure accommodation, which is what the Real Life brand is all about doing. But luxury secure accommodation, that is the key. So make sure that you do the right things for the right reasons. Always check with the experts in your field. Make sure that you've got everything right from the very start, and you'll be okay.